Hey everybody, we're in building number 15 on Main Street, and this is going to be green front modern. So I don't know if some of y'all have seen this building before. We've completely redone it. Got rid of the drop ceiling, finished that up, patched that up, getting the AC installed. Kind of in the paint mode now. Finished the floors. All of this is going to be open. And it just goes back. I mean, it's a pretty big building. There's a lot of windows on Main Street. But this is going to be more of the mid-century modern, glam modern, everything from Neuvo, Caracole, West Brothers, even Fjords, our Scandinavian chairs. So it's going to be a really awesome showroom, and it's going to be a couple more months before we can open this front part. And then we have a side part that we're going to continue to work on as we start finishing. But again, this is a really fun part of the project. It's all coming together. So give us a little bit more time, but building 15, green front modern.